Nature may look calm, but it depends on delicate systems. When balance is disturbed, the first things to fail are not animals or trees. The earliest damage happens in invisible connections. Ecosystems are built on relationships: who eats whom, who controls populations, and when species reproduce. When these links break, the system starts to shift silently, often without being noticed. Food chains change next. When one species declines, others grow unchecked, while predators lose food. This process, known as a trophic cascade, has been observed across many ecosystems. Microorganisms are usually the first measurable signal. Changes in soil bacteria, fungi, and plankton indicate that balance is already breaking. As imbalance grows, nutrient cycles are disrupted. Soil fertility declines, oxygen levels in water drop, and visible damage begins to appear. Only later do we notice the disappearance of fish, birds, or large animals. By then, the ecosystem is already fragile. Nature does not collapse suddenly. First, it quietly loses its connections.